seals. Hey Snuggles 85, thanks so much. Hey Kay, how are you? Okay, so we are going to open the red cap, so don't do the red cap away. And we absolutely love this precision glue gels like 3 years ago when Glitz first came out with this, and it just absolutely changing completely the game. So keep all your crystal placements and your beads, your frame, your chains stay in one place. I sealing on the top and completely on the metal part, but I'm not sealing on the top of the crystal if you're seeing that. So I'm going to seal on the metal parts to prevent it from getting tarnished, but not on the top of the crystal. Just using it on the edges of the crystals. On the base, if you feel like it need to get sealed, so then they won't catching on the hair and the nails at all. All right, so I'm gonna using the twin tip brush and blend it on some of edges have extra precision glue gel because I don't want it to get lumpy, bumpy when I cure. All right, kind of blend it out. You see that how I blend this one so then it doesn't look like I blend this one out as well. Now I'm gonna do it right on the top of the metals. You do on the top of the metals and the beads, chains, and charm to prevent from tarnish and prevent from it catching on your hair, your clothes, any fabric, anything. Happy with this? We're going to cure this for 60 seconds. Oh, thanks so much, Maria. That's awesome. Oh, thank you, Dom. Thank you, Aika. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Don't forget the red caps and don't throw it away. So then that way it's gonna keep it safe and nice, and it's not spilling, and also it's not gonna get accidentally clear and under any circumstance. So here is a look of our 2 nails designs that from our subscription box. Here you go.